All right, JB Auto back with the 96 LS Bronco project ProCharger. We got the motherfucking ProCharger on, baby. That bitch looking nice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. JB Auto, baby. Torque Storm. Woo, this bitch gonna be dumb. Yes, sir. The instructions to this ain't shit. If you sweet with it like me, you'll figure it out. But they don't really show you where none of this shit go. They just show you pictures of the shit already done. Like crazy. And they sent me shit that was too small, wrong spacers, wrong washers. I had to go buy that shit, but it is what it is. They was gonna send it to me, but I ain't got time to wait. So I ain't bad talking Torque Storm. Shit happens. Somebody just packaged the shit up wrong. At all. But we banging, baby. This bitch finna go in here. Torque Storm 60 LS 96 Bronco JB Auto.